Right, yeah. Once again, welcome, folks. This time around, I'll take you through, I think, two sets of clips on statistics, and we are targeting cumulative frequency curves and probability. I hope you find this interesting. Remember to visit the channel so that you can find other explanations should this not suffice. All right, so let's start. Uh, here, we are being asked to look into a cumulative frequency graph. So for this graph, we are interested in upper limits or upper bounds as well as the cumulative frequency. So that will be our x and y variables. So I'm saying x here is going to be our upper limit. As you see here, there's no continuity. So our upper bound is going to be 4.5 when we average these two. And there 10.5. And here we have 20.5. 30.5, 40.5, it's supposed to be 60.5, but that's our maximum value. Then for cumulative frequency, we are adding continuously. We'll start with a 12, that's our corresponding y value. And there, when we add these two, they give us 28. And we add these two, it looks like it takes us to 60. And we add these two, they give us 126. And we add these two, they give us 146. Then we add these two, they give us 150. So those are the values that we are going to use to plot our cumulative frequency curve. So let me draw back so that our graph can fit. Right, let's try and check if we can plot our curve. What we have seen is for the x, we want to go as far as 60. So we will check our scale to say how many boxes do we have. There is a marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it doesn't pain to say let this be 0. And here we have 10 and we have 20 there. We try and raise up a bit. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I think our x will be fine. And x is corresponding to, that's the distance. So we'll come and say this is our distance. Then for the y is running from 0 up to 150. So we want to make sense of the scale to say how best can we accommodate 15 squares. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try and check going upwards. 13, 14, 15, and that's the 16th one. So we'll come back to calibrate them. Let me pick my arrow there. So we'll start with that was 0, so we can call this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So we proceed, we will have 120, 130, 140, 150. So we are doing the plotting now. So we want 4.5 and 12, 4.5 and 12. So 4.5 will be somewhere here, and 12 will find it because this time around is one box, so 12 will be here. We have our point, we come again and check. The next one is 10.5 and 28. 10.5 and 28. 10.5 is 15, so 10.5 is somewhere here, and 28 will find it here. Then we come again and check the third one. It's going to be 20.5 and 60. 20.5 and 60. So 20.5 is somewhere here. And if we go up 60, we find it there. Then the next one, we have 30.5 and 126. 30.5. 30.5 and 126. So 30.5 is somewhere here. 120. As we move up, 120, We are moving up 120. It looks like it's 126, so that's the third one. So 120, 126 will be somewhere there. We come back again and check 40.5 and 146. 40.5 and 146. So 40.5 would find it somewhere here next to 40, and 146, 40, moving at 8, 146, somewhere there. So 146 will be somewhere there. Let's try and check. Yeah, it looks meaningful. Then the last one is going to be 60.5 and 150. 60.5, so 60.5 is here, and 150. 150 will be found here. So our task is to join all those points using a free and let's see. So as we join, it's going to be something of this sort. From here, the origin, we are going all the way. So that's our cumulative frequency curve. Let's see, why can't we display in a single page? Let's see. All right, so there we are. Which number is this? Let's check. All right, so there's our cumulative frequency curve. So for 30% of these journeys, the distance traveled is d kilometers or more. Use your graph to estimate the value of d. So d, we are going to say actually is from the end where we get 30%. So in essence, it's 70% of our total frequency, which is 150. So we want to estimate the distance. And when we do so, it looks like we end up having 17 times 5. So that's 7, well, it's 15 times 5, sorry. 15 times 7, which will give us 105. 105. So here I have 105. Then I'll move to my graph and try and locate 105. 105. So using my red ink, 105 is in between 100 and 110. So somewhere there, using my ruler, takes me there. Then I'll go down with this line. Let me try and continue and check where I'll end up being. Going down, it will take me to this point, which is just 1 unit before 30. So it's going to be 29. So I have 29 kilometers. So the distance D is going to be 29 kilometers. Right, moving to C, calculate an estimate of the mean distance traveled for the 150 journeys. So if we need mean, it will be class midpoint times the frequency for corresponding classes. So I'll come back on top and do these calculations in red ink to say for this class, it's going to be an average of 2.5. So here it will give me 2.25, and when I average these two, it gives me 15. So this is going to be 7.5. When I average these two, they give me 31. So this class we have a midpoint of 15.5. And when I add these two, they give me 51. So 51 is going to be 25.5. And for this class, it will give me 71 when I add these two. The average of 71 is going to be 35.5. And for these 40.5, that's going to give me 101, which will be 50.5. But I've got the frequencies here. So that's where I'm going to say to estimate X bar, it will be approximately, so I'll be doing the products, which is 2.25 multiplied by the frequency there, which is 12, plus I do the same here, 7.5 multiplied by 16 plus all the way up to the last value, which will be 50.5 multiplied by 4. And all this will be divided by the total frequency, which is 150. I think for this I'll need my calculator. And let's see how I will do it with my calculator. I'll push it sideways and start to say, for this box here, I'll be having 2.25 multiplied by 12 plus 7.5 multiplied by 16 plus 15.5 multiplied by 32 plus 25.5 multiplied by 66 plus uh, let's see, the next one is going to be 35.5. Right, so 35.5 multiplied by this time around the frequency is 20 plus finally we'll be having 50.5 multiplied by 4. We check the result, it gives us 3238. So I'll be having here 3238 divided by 150. So approximately our estimate of the mean is going to be, I'll take this result, I divide it by 150. 150. So let me start again. It's 3238 divided by 150. It will give us that result, which is actually 21.59. 21.59. So I'll come and say my estimate of the mean is 21.59. So here X bar is approximately 21.59. 21.59. I think that's basically it on cumulative frequency curve. Next problem is touching on similar concepts, and I hope from what I have developed there, it's a bit of sense sparked into your line of understanding of these concepts. Thank you.